Alright, I welcome you all back to my channel. Today, I want to teach us on how we can mine this Unich Airdrop. So if you are seeing this video, I want you to position yourself for this Unich Airdrop as fast as you can, because this is a airdrop that is going to give out a lot of meaningful funds to the community. And how do you start is you are going to see a link in the description. Just click on that link. It's going to take you to Play Store, and that is where you are going to download this Unich app. So if you come to Play Store, just search for Unich. Even if you don't click on the link to join, if you come to just click on, or even click on the link, it's going to take you down here. So this Unich app is what you are going to be using. So you want to mine their token. So I want you to really position yourself for this. You can see that I have installed mine, as you can see it on the screen. It's showing installed. So what I'm going to do is that from here, I'm just going to open it. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to show you on how you can mine it step by step the right way. So let's wait for it to load. So as you can see on my screen that we have this. So so we are going to be mining this every day. This 24 hours mining. So you can see here that it remains 15 hours for me to click on mine now again. Are you getting it now? So from the interface you can see referral. So in case you want to refer another person to join you, so you can click on invite friend. So per everyone you refer, you get 50 points, and that is about that. So it's showing me my earnings. It says my earnings. I don't know how average volume of total referral per USD 6,900. Your referral 100. So you can see now. So this now you need to complete all these tasks. And one of the sheets of this is that, just for example, you want to do the task for this follow Unich on X. Just click on it. You'll be asked to put a link. Let me use this one as an example. So you'll be asked to put a link here. So without even stressing yourself, just go to your Twitter. Once you get to Twitter, just click on any crypto post you saw and come and paste the link here. It's going to work. Are you getting it now? So I've not done this today. I'm going to do it today. That's about that. Let's come down to earnings here. I clicked on earnings. You can see this is what I have now, and I have my invite link here too. So the next one is history. So these are the things that tasks I've been able to carry it out successfully. And the next one is settings. If you want to change your password, change the language, and you want to get notification, or you want to sign out. So that means from this now you can even have about multiple accounts. And this is what I do tell people in my group, in my community, that try to mine with 2 to 3 accounts. If you are asked later to connect wallets, use wallets of your relatives or your friends that do not mine it, and connect so that you can be able to claim. Are you getting it now? So this is how to mine it. So just make sure that every 24 hours come to my earnings to see and tap to earn. So you can see now, just come there to claim and to tap it within 24 hours. It's a very simple thing to do, and it's very, very straightforward. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if this kind of content you want about airdrop, about crypto, about testnet, and about all these layer airdrops. Just know that every airdrop I drop on my YouTube channel, they are legit and they are valid. And these are airdrops that are going to pay nothing less than $500 to $3,000 to everyone. So if you know you like this kind of content, subscribe to this channel. It is free of charge and you never regret doing that. Thank you so much.